Jessica, congratulations. Third position, but
Yeah.
what a performance. How do you feel?
Thank you. I'm feeling happy and grateful that I did great today. I'm proud of myself. And yeah, I felt amazing today. Maybe at the beginning it was hard to get into the rhythm, but I caught it. And yeah, I was feeling good on the stage, and I was happy to be on the stage again at the World Champs. So I enjoyed it so much.
That's great to hear. Also, well, this was an amazing year for you because silver in Paris Olympics, now this bronze medal, but next year we have World Games. So what are your plans for next year? How do you plan to make one step over and go for the gold?
Yeah, so my goal is to keep practicing, evolving and enjoying the process, evolving my breaking, and also to grow as a personality. And of course I have goals to be at the World Games and to do well. So yeah, World Games is definitely on my list, and also other competitions like Red Bull BCL World Final. So yeah.
That's great to hear. I hope we can enjoy also from you. So the very last thing, who do you want to dedicate this result?
I want to dedicate like this bronze medal to everybody who supports me, especially my mom. She's always there for me, like behind my back. We are like dream team. But yeah, I cannot say one person because so many people helped me on my way, on my journey, and they keep helping me. So I'm so grateful to be around such wonderful people. Yeah.
That's great. And maybe some last words in Lithuanian?
Jo, tai aš džiaugiuosi ir aš esu labai dėkinga, kad šiandien pavyko gerai sušokti ir pasimėgauti. Šis bronzos medalis yra kaip vaisius šių metų. Tai jo, galbūt pradžioje buvo nelengva įsivažiuoti, bet po to aš pradėjau jausti vėl sceną, muziką. Ir aš labai džiaugiuosi, kad aš vėl turėjau galimybę būti ant šios scenos, parodyti save, savo stilių. Ir man tai pavyko, kitą kartą bus geriau, tai jo, aš tiesiog esu dėkinga už tai, kas įvyko ir už visus žmonės, kurie yra kartu su manim.